Again, guys, welcome to my second tutorial on C++. Welcome, I'm Simon Jana. It's been a while, but now we're good to go. I'll be making like tutorials each and every day. So, guys, welcome. I'm so excited to be with you guys. Yeah, so without wasting time, let's open our editor, Visual Studio. Well, this is 2020. I'm still using Visual Studio 2019. That's not a problem. Yeah. So yeah, let's wait for it to boot. Okay. Let's create our new project. This is the second one. So uh, from this list, you have to filter. We are doing C++, so you have to choose C++ and under Windows, and then the console. Okay, we have different many of them, but as of now we're doing the console. Okay, so as of now, please choose that one. This one won't give you any files, but for beginners, let's use the console app. Hit next. Give your application a name. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys what comments are, but there's a bonus. I'll show you, well, just explain to you the structure of a C++ program. Okay, the hierarchy of the folders or whatever, where have what folders, where you have to put what kind of file. Okay, so I'll explain to you guys. That's a bonus to you guys. Okay, so this one is comments. Yeah, comments in C. Okay, and when naming your projects, please start with a capital letter and no spaces, please. Okay, you might have problems with the compiler. Okay, and now location, please browse to where you want to store your file, your project. As of now, I use this one. That's my partition on the hard drive. Okay, when with all this, click create, and that will start creating a project. Okay, so let's give it some time. Should create our project, and then we can start to code. Okay, our project has now loaded. This is the first file which you are going to see when you first create your project. Okay, so the file is named comments in C++.cpp. Okay, this .cpp is C++. Okay, don't get confused. Yeah, so in C++ we have two types of comments. Oh, well, by the way, comments are explanatory statements. Okay, explanation statements, whatever you can say. It's like you can write anything, and the compiler won't bother about that statement. You will ignore it. They are mainly used to document your code. Maybe you have maybe some code is doing something special, so you can document that. Maybe you want to send your code to someone else and you want to explain what that code is doing. You can use comments to do that. Okay, so luckily enough, we have our first comments auto generated for us. As you can see, the first type of comment is this one. Okay, it's green in color. Okay, meaning that everything which is in green won't be executed. Okay, won't be interpreted. It will be ignored by the compiler. Okay, but everything which is not green, like these ones, this is now our code, our working code, but these ones won't be executed. Okay, this is just to tell you whatever, maybe just for the first time opening using Visual Studio. Yeah, yeah. So these are just guidelines. See, you can see the project name. This file contains our main function program. Execute begins. The program execution begins and ends there. Okay, it's just trying to tell you what the code is doing. Yeah. He is just telling you run program, control, or whatever. These are just instructions. Yeah. So this is our first type of comments. How you do that? How you do that is you write doubles forward slashes. Okay. If you put one, that is not a comment, but double forward slashes. Say this is our own comment. Okay. That won't be executed, it just be ignored. Okay, so let's try to press F5 and see what is going to happen. Alright, execution has finished and you can see the output is hello world. Okay, the comments are not here. Okay, it is just a code which has been executed. Everything which is in green has been ignored, as you can see here. Alright, we got this one and we don't have it here. Okay, this is just some statements, whatever. Press any key close window, whatever. Yeah. So that's how comments work. Let me show you the other type of comments. Okay, so this is called an inline comment. Okay, you can put it anywhere. Okay, see, yeah, you can put it anywhere. Have problems with that. Okay, so the other type of comment is the block comment. Okay, yeah. So to write that, you put a forward slash then star. Okay, star asterisk as okay. The compilers will generate for us. So when you start, whatever you put inside is also a comment. Okay, this is a block comment. So these comments are very useful when you have much to say about the code, but the inline one explanation, yeah. So you can put as many as you can here. Okay, there won't be any problem with this. Yeah, so this is our block comment and this is our inline comment. Inline meaning that it's just only on a single line. Okay, but this one can cover up to maybe 100 lines, whatever I wish. Yeah, so going to the project structure for the bonus. Yes, when you create a project, this is the hierarchy you are going to see. We have a solution named under what we had put comments in C++, like say 101 project, and then this is your entry point. And then you have references. References are maybe add-ons, maybe you want to use some other library, so you import it on under this. Okay, it's a reference. You add, maybe you want to refer some third-party libraries. Yeah, so external dependencies are like default libraries, as maybe he include iostream is somewhere there. Okay, the headers, like, yeah, I'm going to show you guys what those are, but as of now, don't mind any of those. Okay, header files are, these are links. Okay, or maybe you want to let a program with maybe 7 of these files, use header files to link those files between or among. Okay, the source files, in this folder you can put maybe images, audios which you want to use inside your application. Okay, and last, source files is where your .cpp files exist. Okay, this is where any kind of file which we will create is stored under here. Okay, so to create another one, just say add new item. Yeah, you can say cpp and you name it and hit add. It's going to add that to your source file. Okay, yeah, so that's how you write comments, and that's how a C++ program project structure looks like. Okay, so that's all for it in this tutorial. Next, we're going to talk about this, the ST. We're going to talk about let me just say the structure. Okay, we're going to know all of this. Okay, why